Keep going, keep going. Oh, no more recording, please. That was too much. Keep going, let's go. Get in there, you guys. 2 kicks. 2 kicks, 2 kicks. Let's go. You have to go faster. Go, go, go. Boom. Boom. Faster. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Go, quickly, faster. There you go, Jay. You got it, buddy. Good job, brother. Good. There you go. There you go. Faster. This side, then this side. 2 kicks, 2 kicks. Let's go, Jace. Come on. Good. There you go. Good. Break. Stop. Stop. Okay, good. Now from here, guys, last one. You're going to do one leg. Then when I say switch, you have to do the other leg. Okay, watch over here, guys. Okay, you go. Don't fall. Don't fall. Keep that leg up. Keep that leg up. Keep that leg up. There you go. Keep that leg up. Don't fall. Don't drop. Keep that leg up. Let's go, guys. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it, no, don't grab the back. Keep the leg up. Let's go. Come on. Do it just how I showed you. There you go. Keep going. Don't drop. Don't drop. Hard. Hard. Up here, dude. Too low. Hard. Hard. Wait. Keep it up. Keep it up. Let's go. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Don't drop that leg, guys. Don't drop that leg. Don't drop that leg. Keep on. Ready, break! Alright, awesome job, guys. Okay, get lined up. Yes, sir? Run. Let's go, yes, sir. Foot. Go, run down the other side. Go, quickly. Let's go, do it again. Forward, up and down. Keep moving, let's go. Now, forward and back. Forward and back. Let's go, move it. Forward and back. Side to side. Side to side. Good, that means you're working out, man. Ready, run the other side. Let's go, run. Now go back. Push up position, let's go. Push up position. Hold it there. Let's go. Don't let your body touch the ground. Keep your legs straight. Legs straight. Hold it there. Listen up. Listen very carefully. Don't move. Don't drop. You're going to do bear crawl. Then you're going to go look bear crawl down here. Bear crawl backwards. And hold push up position again. Don't drop, guys. Ready, go. Bear crawl. Now bear crawl backwards. And then hold push-up position again. Hold it. Hold that push-up position. Ready. Count to 10. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Run to the side. Go. Run back. Push-up position again. Let's go. Push-up position. Hold one arm up. Let's go. Keep your body straight. One arm in front, not on the side. In front. Let's go. Hold it. In front. Hey, what are you guys doing? No counting. I said hold the arm in front. You need to be watching me. Hold the arm in front. Let's go. Arm in front. One arm. Let's go. One arm. Hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Run to the side. Let's go. Run down. Now back. Push up position again. Let's go, guys. Push up position. Let's go. Hold it. Hey, guys, you have to run down all the way to the last mat. Let's go. Other arm. Hold your other arm up. Hold that other arm in front, not to the side. Not up, not to the side. In front. Reach out in front. Hold it there. Don't fall. Hold it there. Let's go, guys. It's easy like this. Look, not to the side. It's no good. Hold it in front. Keep your body straight. 1, 2. No, only I'm going to count. 3, 4. 5, no, only I'm going to count. Let's go. I'm not here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Run to the other side. Back. Let's go. Back. Sit down on your butt. Let's go. Down here. Let's go. Sit up. Back. All the way up to your knees. Back. All the way up to your knees. Let's go. Move it. Come on. Let's go. Keep the knees up. Be flat like this. Right here. Stay right here. Don't move. Here. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Move it. Move. All the way up. Hard. Chase. Let's go. Joe. Let's go. Higher. Come on. Hug those knees. Give those knees a big hug. All the way up. Let's go, Charlie. Let's go. Come on. Move it. Hold on. Let's go. Right here like this. Here like this. Let's go. Move. Keep going. Let's go. Keep going. Go. Move it. Let's go. More. Ready, get up on the other side. Let's go quickly. Go back. From here, push up position, mountain climbers. Let's go, mountain climbers. Let's go, move it. Mountain climbers. Get those knees up to your chest. Get those knees up to your chest. Running. Knees up. All the way up. Not back. Not behind you, dude. You have to bring your knees up here. Look. Touch my hands with your knees. Your knees. There you go. You have to run. Run. There you go. Go down. Good. Good. Keep going. Keep going. Faster. 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 Go. Run the other side and back. Let's go. 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 Right to the other side. Here, push up position. Keep the other part. Get the other part. Let's go. Move it. Move it. Move it. Move it. Move it. Get the other part. Get the other part. Get the other part. Get the other part. Let's go, guys. You need more space. You're too close. Let's go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Let's go. Move it. Move it. Go. 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 Keep moving. Keep moving. Let's go. Right to the other side. Go. Go. Then run back. Good, good. You hear what? On one leg, hop. Hop forward, hop back like this. One leg, forward, in, out, in, out. Let's go, come on, one leg, let's go, move it, move it. Forward and back, forward and back. Knee up, knee back, knee up, knee back. Let's go, keep moving, guys, let's go. Keep it moving, keep it moving. Keep it moving. Go, run to the other side, go, go, run to the other side. Go back. Now, other leg, same thing, one leg, guys, one leg. Knee up, out, knee up, out, knee up, out. Let's go, keep moving. Let's go, knee up now. Charlie, let's go, move it, buddy, move it. Move it, knee up now. Move that one leg, you need to stand in one place, dude. Look, your knee has to, watch me. Look, knee, in, out, in, out. Let's go, keep moving, guys, let's go. Come on, in and out, in and out. There you go, in and out. Good job, Jay, you got it, buddy. You're doing the best right now. Good job. You and both down the lane, man. Other side, let's go, run to this side, let's go, all the way. All the way. Good, there you go. Good job, good job, good job. That's what I want right there. Perfect. All along. Good job. Push up position, hold it. Hold it. Hold that push up position. I say go. Hand behind your back, bunny hop there. Then bunny hop going backwards. Ready, go. Oh no, go back, go back, go back. Keep together, keep together. Keep together. Hey, all the way down, all the way down, all the way down. Then backwards. Hey, all the way down, guys, all the way down, all the way down, all the way down. All the way down. Push up position. Okay, stand up, burpees. Let's go, burpees. Burpees, get those burpees moving. Let's go, burpees. Burpees, burpees. Don't let your knees touch the ground. Burpees, come on. Go, good, good. Go back, go back, go back. Go back, let's go. Let's go, move it, guys. Hey, let's go, guys, let's go. You guys move it. Keep going, let's go, jump. Go, quickly, quickly. There you go, there you go. Good job, guys, good job. Let's do it, let's do it. Keep moving, keep moving. Let's go. It's supposed to be hard work. It's hard work, guys. It takes hard work to get on that go. It's not easy. Run to the side, let's go. Run to the side, back, go, quickly. Go back. Good, you hear, guys? You understand? Punches. Punches. Let's go. Punches. You understand? Punches. Those good punches. No. Hand by your go. One hand punching. One hand by your go. Let's go. Move it. Come on. Let's go. Move it. Move it. Move it. Move it. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Body straight. That's not good, guys. Hey, watch me. Body straight. Body straight. Good push-up. Let's go. Good push-up, guys. Use your arms. Use your arms. No, you can't back your body. Keep your body straight. You see. Go. Push up. Use your arms. Up, down, up. Don't let your body touch the ground. Let's go, keep moving. Move, 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 move. Ready, up and run to the other side. Let's go, run, run, run. Sorry, let's go. There you go, running, high knees, high knees, high knees. So get those knees up in front, get those knees up. Get those knees up, let's go, come on, get those knees up. High knees, high knees. Ready, other side, let's run, 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 run. Go back.
I never heard of that.
Kick, got in front, kick.
That's not a foul.
You got in front. Let's go, you got in front, guys. Go.
Put it as
Ready, run to the side, back. Go, quickly. Go back.
no, that's a nice
Lay down on your back, guys. Lay down on your back. Listen to your butt. Legs up. Straight. Leg lift. Let's go. Leg lift. Leg lift. Let's go. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Let's go. Come on. Move it. Hands on your butt. Hands on your butt. There you go. Leg lift up. There you go. Good. Let's go. Do it right. Don't let your feet drop. Don't let your feet touch the floor.
I did
Don't let your feet touch the floor, guys.
I'm like,
Keep going. Don't let your feet touch the floor. Do it right. Come on.
I dare.
Mess around, guys. Do it right. Go. Look up to the ceiling. Look up.
Happy New Year.
Right.
On the watch
You want a strong body, you want a strong stomach, that's what you have to do.
I said that. I said
Work,
very
not
good.
easy.
I said every
You
day.
want to be good, it's hard. It's hard. It's a long road.
That's
Not
not
easy,
it.
guys. There's no guy club. You have to train hard. You have to practice hard. Run to the side, back. Go, go, go. Run to the side. Go, move it, move it. You're back. You're back. Hey, no, you're not running all the way down. That's why you come up all the way down the back. Hands on your back like this. Hey, legs up straight. Hold it. Legs up straight. Hold it just like that. Hold it there. Legs up straight. Hold it. Don't move. Keep your legs straight. I want to see about these things. Legs straight. Legs straight. Legs straight. There you go. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Now kicks, battle kicks, legs straight. Oh, that's not good. Legs straight, good. My legs are straight. Straight, legs straight. Chase, what are you doing? You're on the floor. Looks like a butterfly kick. Legs straight, let's go. Keep going. Keep going, don't touch the floor. Good job, good job, buddy. Good job. Here, together apart. Together apart, don't touch the floor. Don't touch the floor. Pick your feet up. Pick your feet up. There you go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Keep moving, guys. Keep moving. Charlie, what are you doing, man? Keep going. Keep going. Don't touch the floor. Keep going, guys. Keep going. It's time. Together in a circle. Circle up. Down. Circle up. Down. Circle up. Down. Let's go. Keep moving. Keep moving. Almost there. Go. Run to the side. Go. Let's go. Run. Pretty strong, dude. All right. Awesome. Go. We'll get you one,